What is up, my guys? It's D. Kufeld here, and I just want to say I hope everyone had an awesome weekend. I'm back here Sunday for a new tech video. So before I jump in for this week, it was awesome because I got some tips in class about like how my videos are looking, what people think, and most of them were positive, great, but there's definitely some things I'm going to need to work on. I sometimes talk too fast, which you could probably tell, which I'm working on each and every day, and there's a lot of echoing going on. So I just ordered a pair of headphones to probably make these videos a little better when it comes to sound. I want to shout out Tech for Beginners, GregonTech, and BridgeBits. They helped me out massively. I'm going to put their links on the bottom of this video. And from there, yeah, I just want to say that before we start. So let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is just look at Google. And let's just type up anything. Let's type up my boy Kobe Bryant. So, you see Kobe Bryant kids, Kobe Bryant dead, sadly, of course, Kobe Bryant wife, Kobe Bryant stats, Kobe Bryant shoes. How does Google know what I'm looking for specifically? And that is because of SEO, or also called search engine optimization. And this is no money or anything, but it's the way the internet organizes things. It's the way it's editorial, it's natural, and it's pretty much, there's a million videos on it, but it's pretty much how Google, Bing, Yahoo organize their information. And there's tons of ways and algorithms that go into it, but it's quite simple because, hey, if you're looking for something, you want that thing to pop up first. And you really only want that thing. It's really annoying where you keep searching a question and you just can't find the answer. SEO is a database that allows you to find the answer. So here's a chart. I know it looks crazy, but I'm going to break it down to you. I'm going to zoom in here. So when it comes to CEO, like the algorithm database, the way it's ordered is by this. So like quality, crawl, titles, research, mobile, descriptions, words. All that information is going to play a part of it, which is called organic search optimization, which is pretty much taking these qualities and ranking them. Compared to like off the page SEO, which is trust, links, personal, social, engage, text, like those information, they find, hey, that's not really that important. Why am I really going to look into that when I don't really need to? And especially like ads and spam. Like if we go back to Google and let's just search like in the other iPhone 7. So all of this information, like these are all ratings and stuff, but like I'm going to go iPhone buy now. Like, this is all not information I need. Like, why you should buy the iPhone 7 instead of the iPhone XE. You see how that's on the bottom and how you, like, actually buying the iPhone is right here? That's the reason for SEO. It knows how to organize it. When I type iPhone 7, buy now, it wants you to buy it now. That's why it's on top compared to all this articles and stuff I just don't think is relevant. So I also want to go, what is SEO again? Just review what I explained. If it was a little hard to understand, I'm going to review it for a second time. The quality of traffic, the quality of traffic, the quality of traffic. That's all you really need to know. That is the keyword to SEO, search engine optimization. It's how you attract your visitors. It's how you break it down. It's how Google knows what I am looking for. The reason I use the iPhone example is now, as you see, explaining for the second time, the organic iPhone 6 right here. This is where you buy it, where the paid stuff is all advertisements, just not useful information, where it's sometimes to the right or like maybe the first or second thing where people are paying to get on top of that page. Organic SEO is free. And how SEO works, I pretty much explained it. To get more technical in it, it's pretty much a big algorithm that breaks down all the information. And pretty much the chart I showed before, this is a different type of chart of keywords, brand features, data, social metrics, and level keyword usage. So I just want to say thank you guys for listening in today. I know SEO can get a little confusing, but the more you learn about it and the more you read about it, the more it makes sense to you. At first, I was a little confused about it because I didn't really understand, like, oh, it just seems like information, like how it breaks it down. But there's a lot that goes into it, and there's a lot of components and keywords that goes into it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and I'll see you next week. D. Kufeld is out.